Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about industrialization. Industrialization is a process where people adopt easier and cheaper way to make things. Using better technology, it becomes possible to produce more goods in short amount of time. More things can be produced by fewer people. Industrialization is a process that happens in country when they start to use machines to do work that once done by people. Industrialization changes the things people do. Industrialization caused towns to grow larger. Many people left farming to take higher part of jobs in factories in towns. Today, we are going to learn about what is industrialization, success of industrialization, and factors of industrialization. Industrialization. Industrialization is an important component of economic growth. India's industrial expansion over the planned period presents a mixed picture. Compared to the pre-independence level, industrial growth during 5-year plan periods is phenomenal. Industrialization is the period of social and economic change that transforms a human group from an agrarian society into an industrial society. This involves an extensive reorganization of an economy for the purpose of manufacturing. Industrialization is the period of social and economic change that transforms a human group from an agrarian society into an industrial society. This involves an extension of reorganization of an economy for the purpose of manufacturing. What are the factors of industrialization? Growth of per capita agriculture incomes, improvement in the rate and pattern of gross domestic capital formation, particularly in public investment, step up in investment in infrastructure and better management, less adverse trends in intersectional terms of general factors influencing location of industries in India. Location of industries is determined by the several factors like access to raw materials, power, market, capital, transport, and labor, etc. As these factors influence the cost of production and delivery cost of manufactured goods into consumers, trade, and reforms of industrials and trade policies all. General factors influencing location of industries in India. Location of industries is determined by several factors like access to raw material, power, market, capital, transport, labor, etc. As these factors influence cost of production and delivery cost of manufactured goods to consumers. Factors affecting industrialization. Factors influencing industrial productivity, technological development, quality of human resources, availability of finance, managerial talent, government policy, natural factors. The factors affecting industrial productivity are interrelated and interdependent, and it is a difficult task to evaluate the influence of each individual factor on the overall productivity of industries. Success of industrialization. The Industrial Revolution transformed economics that has been based on agriculture and handicrafts into economics based on large scale industry, mechanized manufacturing, and the factory system. New machines, new power system, new ways of organizing work made existing industries more productive and efficient. The Industrial Revolution had many positive effects. Among those was an increase in wealth, the production of goods, and standard of living. People had access to healthier diets, better housing, and cheaper goods. In addition, education increased during the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution transformed economics that had been based on agriculture and handicrafts into economic based on large scale industry, mechanized manufacturing, and factory system. New machines, new power sources, new ways of organizing work made existing industries more productive and efficient. Modernization. India has very large varieties of industries producing goods and varied nature, which shows a high degree of modernization. Some modern industries have really grown and they are competing effectively with the outside world. This has reduced our dependence greatly on foreign experts and technologists. On the contrary, India is exporting trained personnel to relatively less developed countries. The term information technologies includes computer and communication technology along with software. Along with three sectors, model of primary, secondary and tertiary industries, a fourth sector, information related industries, has emerged. The knowledge economy depicts the automations of labor intensive manufacturing and service activities as well as growth in new service industries such as healthcare, distance education, software production, and multimedia entertainment. Self reliance. Another positive aspect of industrial growth is the attainment of the goal of self reliance. We have achieved self reliance in machinery, plant, and other equipments. Today, the bulk of equipment required for industrial and infrastructural development is produced within the country. The Indian road network has become one of the largest in the world. Government efforts led to the expansion of the network of national highways, state highways, and major district roads, which in turn has directly contributed to industrial growth. As India needs power to drive its growth engine, it has triggered a noteworthy improvement of availability of energy. After almost the 7 decades of independence, India has emerged as the third largest producer of electricity in Asia. Thank you, students.